हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम पढ़ेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 3 परम निधानम क। परम निधानम क मीन्स व्हाट इज द ग्रेट ट्रेजर। इन दिस लेसन वी हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन एन young man and the king Bhoj. King Bhoj is the king of Dharanagari, situated in Madhya Pradesh at present time. King Bhoj was lived in 11th century 18 AD. So let's start our lesson. भोज नाम नृपति विद्याप्रिय कलाप्रिय प्रजाप्रियश्च आसीत्। भोज नाम नृपति मतलब भोज नाम मीन्स नेम और नृपति मीन्स किंग। अ किंग नेम्ड भोज। विद्याप्रिय, विद्याप्रिय मीन्स लवर ऑफ लर्निंग। प्रजाप्रिय means devoted to subject and Kalapriya means lover of fine arts. A king named Bhoj was lover of learning, lover of fine arts and devoted to his subject. अतः तस्य राजसभायां दूरदेशात् अनेक विद्याविशारदा पंडित समागच्छति स्म। विद्याविशारदा पंडित means scholars. समागच्छति means come and राज्यसभाया means royal assembly. So many scholar experts in lords used to come to his royal assembly from far off country. दूर देशाया means far off country. एकदा भोज प्रासादस्य गवाक्षे उपविष्ट आसीद। एकदा means once. भोज means king भोज. प्रासादस्य means palace. गवाक्षे means gallery. उपविष्ट means sit. Once Bhoj was seated in the gallery of the passage. समार्गे एक नवागंतुम अनभिज्ञम युवकम पश्यति. He sees a नवागंतुकम means newly arrived. अनभिज्ञ means unacquainted. युवक means a young man. He sees a newly arrived unacquainted young man in the street. He called him into a palace in order to know his identity. तस्य परिचयं ज्ञातु स त्वं प्रासादे आह्यति means to know his identity he called the young man to his palace. ततस्तयोः मध्ये एवं वार्तालापः सञ्जातः. Then between them the conversation took place in this way. भोज आस्क्ड. भोजः भवान् क वर्तते. किंग भोज आस्क्ड हु आर यू. युवक अहम घटपंडित अस्मि. द यंग मैन रिप्लाइड आई एम घटपंडित. भोज घटपंडित किं नाम घटपंडित इति. भोज आस्क्ड घटपंडित व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ घटपंडित. युवक यथा घटे परिपूर्णं जल तिष्ठति तथैव मयि परिपूर्णं ज्ञान वर्तते. अतः अहम स्व आत्मानं घटपंडित मन्ये. The young man replied that just as there is a water filled up to its brim in a pitcher, in the same way there is full of knowledge in me. So I considered myself as a घटपंडित. भोज युवकस्य गर्वपूर्णाम् उक्तिं श्रुत्वा स्व आत्मानां ततो अप्याधिकं मत्वा अहंकारेण सह यदि त्वं घटपंडितः असि तर्हि अहं मृदगरत्वेन वर्तते. मृदगर स्वकीयेन प्रहारेण घटं विनाशयति. अहमपि घटरूपं भवन्तः विनाशयति. King Bhoj, listening to the proud speech of the young man and thinking himself to be better than him, proudly, and replied, Yadi tvam ghata means you are a pitcher. Ghata means pitcher or a pot in which we collect water. So yadi tvam ghata asi. The Bhoj replied that if you are a pitcher, tahir aham mrudagaratven. Mrudagara means a hammer. If you are a pitcher, I am a hammer. मृदगर स्वकीयेन प्रहारेण घटम विनाशयति. The hammer break the pitcher by its own stroke. Ahamaphi ghataroopam bhavanta vinashayami. I will also destroy you like a pitcher. युवक यदि भवान् मृदगरत्वेन वर्तिष्यते तर्हि अहम् अग्निभवामि. The young man replied that if you are like a hammer, I will become fire. दहन कर्मा अग्नि भृत्वा मृदगरम भस्म करिष्यामि. I will reduce the hammer to ashes by my burning, becoming fire which does not work of burning. I will reduce the hammer in ashes. भोज त्वं यदि वहित्वनि वर्तिष्यनि तर्हि अहं वृष्टि भवामि. If you are become a fire, I become rain. वृष्टि means rain. वृष्टि पुरतः बहिर्स्थातुं न शक्नोमि. The fire cannot stand before the rainfall. Vrushti means rainfall and Vahi means a fire. So the fire cannot stand before rainfall. तथा त्वमपि मम पुरतः स्थातुं न शक्नोमि. King Bhoj said, if you become fire, I shall become rain. The fire cannot stand before the rainfall. Similarly, you cannot stand in front of me. युवक वृष्टि तु वायु स्वबलेन यत्र कुत्र अपि वाहयितुमर्हति. वृष्टिरूपं भवन्तं वायुः भूत्वा इतः ततः वहिष्यामि. A young man. But wind is able to blow rain anywhere with its own force. Becoming the wind, I will blow you here and there when you are in the form of rain.